To fix Cash App unusual activity in 2025, start by understanding what unusual activity means. This refers to transactions or actions on your account that seem suspicious or out of the ordinary. The Cash App system is designed to detect and flag such activities to protect your account. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. This is crucial as updates often include security patches and improvements to detect unusual activities more effectively. If your account is locked due to unusual activity, you will need to verify your identity. This can be done through the app by following the prompts. You may be asked to provide your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Next, review your account activity. Go through your transaction history to identify any transactions you do not recognize. If you find any suspicious transactions, report them immediately through the app. To avoid future unusual activity flags, make sure your account information is up to date and accurate. This includes your email address, phone number, and physical address. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. It is also important to use strong and unique passwords for your Cash App account. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts and consider changing your password periodically. If you are still having issues with unusual activity on your Cash App account, contact Cash App support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and help resolve any ongoing issues. By following these steps and maintaining good account hygiene, you can effectively fix and prevent unusual activity on your Cash App account, ensuring your financial transactions are secure and hassle-free.